train number 7.
That's the train to Stuttgart and Hagelock.
What do you know about it?
I was imprisoned at the labor camps there, a factory, before they brought me here. It's 2 tracks over.
Shh, shh, shh. Quiet.
Sie müssen hier in der Nähe sein. Let's spread out and find them. Jawohl.
Bewegung, Bewegung! Schwimmt aus! Bewegung, Bewegung! Schneller! Sie sind irgendwo hier! Los, los! Auf geht's! Schneller! Bewegung, Bewegung! Los, los, los! Los! Bewegung! Schneller! Schneller!
Durchsuchst jeden einzelnen Waggon! Aber sofort!
Auf geht's! Öffnet! Öffnet! Öffnet die Tür! Wir haben eine! Beweg dich! Beweg dich!
Hier ist einer! OSS.
He's our contact. Well, then they crouched right to him. Way to go.
Is there others like you? Where are they? What's your mission? Wanna play, huh? Again. What's your mission?
Look. My orders are to kill you. I don't like these orders. But my oath requires allegiance. So, give me what I want, and I can spare your life as an exception. What do you think? An order is an order.
Sergeant, if that was our contact, he was supposed to get on that train to Stuttgart. Which means we have to get on that train.
Halt!
Damn it.
Schwärmt aus! Durchsucht alle Waggons, da müssen noch andere sein! Bringt sie mir hierher!
Move, move! Get to that train!
Schwärmt aus! Hinter sie! Bringt sie zu mir!
This is it. Train number 7. It's locked.
Where's Matheson? I don't know. I'm going back for him.
Ich hab sie gefunden! Sie sind hier drinnen! Los! Matheson! Let's go!
We got to go!
Down him, fellas! Hey, you're in command, Burroughs! Sergeant, you're the only man I trust to get the job done. Make sure they do the right thing. I can't, sir! You can and you will. Now go get on the train. I'm not leaving you. Yes, you are. I'll find my way home. You do the same. Go, guys!
Давай, быстро! Let's go!
Get on the train now!
The hunt continues in Stuttgart. Wir werden für Sie bereit sein.
You good?
I never thought I'd see the day when a bunch of Yanks fell out of the sky to save my ass, but I'll take it, fellas. Willoughby, British Air Force.
Hey. So what are we doing?
What do you mean, what we're doing? If we're gonna get out of it, we're gonna kick some Nazi ass, and we're gonna have a few beers in England on me, fellas.
It's great. It's great. Okay. Look, Matheson left you in charge. Okay, young man?
You telling me this young fella's in charge of this operation here? I mean, I've got underwear older than them.
That's great. But could you, back off? Please. Now look, we're pissing distance from the French border. Now, we gotta give these prisoners a chance.
You freeze these prisoners, this train won't make it to Stuttgart.
Are you fellas serious? I mean, what are you doing here?
I know you're chin-strapped, kid, but you got to pull it together. We're the boots on the ground, okay? We lose good men every day, but we just keep marching until they tell us to stop. Now, you make a decision right now, and you stick to it. What are we doing?
Sergeant! You're the only man I trust to get the job done. Make sure they do the right thing. I'll find my way home.
I'm sorry, no.
What, you're telling me you're not here to get us out of here?
Our mission's in Stuttgart. That's where we're going.
Okay? You're